Have you ever wondered what it's like to attend a movie premiere with a vibrant blue carpet and Hollywood's biggest stars? Well, that's exactly what happened at the recent Sonic the Hedgehog 3 premiere. With the addition of Keanu Reeves as the voice of Shadow the Hedgehog, this video game adaptation has reached new heights. As a seasoned film enthusiast, I can't help but express my excitement about the upcoming Sonic the Hedgehog movie trilogy. The news that Keanu Reeves, the beloved internet heartthrob, would be lending his voice to the villainous Shadow the Hedgehog has certainly piqued my interest. His recent appearance at the Sonic 3 premiere alongside partner Alexander Grant truly left an indelible impression on the audience. Uh, um, the cast looked stunning as anticipated, but uh, Reeves certainly stole the show, particularly since he was a long-term partner. Uh, Despite being a major Hollywood figure, Reeves has managed to keep his personal life, including his relationship with Grant, fairly private. The duo have been an item since 2019, but they've both chosen to keep their romance largely out of the spotlight. When speaking about his relationship, Keanu Reeves expresses genuine joy, tradition. It's evident that the couple cherish each other's company, whether they're sharing moments under the spotlight on a vibrant blue carpet, during a film premiere, or in private settings. The upcoming Sonic the Hedgehog 3 is set to be a blockbuster hit, with the previous films in this franchise consistently breaking box office records for video game adaptations. With Keanu Reeves as the voice of Shadow the Hedgehog, this film is sure to attract a lot of viewers due to his unique presence. In the 2024 movie schedule, it's scheduled for release on December 20th that Keanu Reeves will voice Shadow the Hedgehog in the opening of Sonic the Hedgehog 3. This film will face some stiff competition from Disney's The Lion King, Mufasa, but Reeves's absence in that film might actually attract a lot of viewers due to this unique factor that is actually, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.